Testerup Honest Review. In the growing world of get-paid-to platforms, Testerup has generated a lot of attention. Advertised as a platform where users can earn money by testing apps, games, and services, it promises fast, easy cash for simple digital tasks. But with so many similar platforms turning out to be time wasters or outright scams, users are right to ask, is Testerup legit or is it just another scheme? What is Testerup? Testerup is an online platform that connects users with offers from mobile apps, games, and services. Once registered, users can choose from a list of tasks, such as installing an app and reaching a certain level in a game, signing up for a service trial, or completing surveys. Each task displays a potential reward, which can range from a few cents to $100 or more, depending on the complexity. The concept is appealing, especially for people looking to make money from home with no special skills. However, as with most microtask sites, the catch is in the fine print, how it really works. At first glance, Testerup appears to offer quick cash. However, once users start completing tasks, they discover that most offers require significant time and effort. For example, a game may promise $50 in earnings, but only after reaching a very high level that could take weeks of regular play. If users stop short of completing every requirement, they earn nothing. Additionally, many offers include signing up for subscriptions or giving personal information, raising concerns about privacy, hidden charges, or data sharing. Users also report that cash outs are only possible after reaching a minimum threshold, which is usually $70 to $100, and hitting that number can be difficult without committing hours of effort to high barrier tasks. User experience and complaints. Honest user reviews on forums like Reddit, Trustpilot, and YouTube paint a mixed picture. Positive experiences come from users who fully completed high-paying tasks and were eventually paid out. These individuals often emphasize the importance of following instructions carefully and being patient. Negative experiences are more common. Many users complained that tasks were misleading, that the progress wasn't tracked correctly, or that the support was unresponsive when issues arose. Others report that once they were close to the payout minimum, the high-value offers disappeared or didn't credit properly. So, is it a scam? To be clear, Testerup is not a scam. It is a functioning platform that pays some users. However, the way it operates leads heavily on manipulative marketing and unclear expectations. The promise of easy money is misleading. Testerup may pay, but it requires significant time investment, risk, and persistence. The platform benefits when users start tasks but don't complete them, earning money from partner companies while avoiding payouts. So, in conclusion, Testerup is a legitimate platform in the sense that it is real and does pay users. However, it is not the easy money opportunity as it appears to be. Most tasks take far more time than users expect, and earning the minimum payout often requires hours, if not days, of work, alongside the risk of handing over personal information. Ultimately, Testerup might be worth exploring for those with time to spare and a detail-oriented mindset, but it's not a shortcut to easy income. For many, the time spent simply won't be worth the payout. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.